Hi, my name is Caitlin Howell, and today we're happy to discuss our latest CO2 sensor, the SEK-STCC4. Sensirion has created a small and cost-efficient CO2 sensor to work in indoor air quality applications. Today we're going to show you exactly what's available in our evaluation kit to help you get started with prototyping. In the box, you will find several things to help you along the way. First is a flyer, which helps to give you all the directions that you would need in terms of prototyping, documentation, and drivers. Then, most importantly, you have the development board of the SEK-STCC4, which will allow you to interface with the sensor and do your first tests. Then, we have additional prototyping availability with our jumper wire set. And finally, we have an adapter cable which allows us to connect to our sensor bridge. Let's look at how easy it is to test our latest CO2 sensor, the SEK-STCC4. We have here our development board, which has an STCC4 and an SHT4X already available for you. We then connect to our adapter cable through the quick connector, like this. We then can access the sensor through our sensor bridge, which you can buy separately on the Sensirion website. And finally, connect to the computer. And now we're ready to look at the data on the computer. And now we can look at the data that will come from our SEK-STCC4 through the Control Center software from Sensirion. Now you can see on Control Center that we have the SEK-STCC4 connected, and we've already collected some data in the past of the ambient environment. Now we'll just show an example of how quick the sensor is to measure CO2 changes. By blowing on the CO2 sensor, you can see that it quickly reacts to that local change in CO2 concentration. The goal of this evaluation kit is to help that you can do your first measurements with CO2 sensor without any heavy equipment. You can find this evaluation kit on our website through our distribution partners. And please contact Sensirion if you have any questions.